This is the Bosch Atlet cordless vacuum cleaner and the Achilles problem of the handle. There are other videos, let me show you. One issue is the connection, which is here. That must be cleaned on both the vacuum cleaner and the handle. You can just about make it out. It's a circuit board that must be cleaned with contact cleaner. Do not use anything other than contact cleaner, regardless of what you're told. The second problem is the switch mechanism, which is on the handle. There is the switch itself. You can see a rectangular box and how it mates with the sliding control on the handle. Before you start, make sure the vacuum cleaner is in the off position. The handle is in the off position. To gain access, you need to start from the top and gently ease up each side. You're then able to work your way down the handle to the switch. Carefully and judiciously just lever that back and then apply the contact cleaner.